How many more days could I wait? Playing players with you, and I won't let them fall through.
I have been in my apartment for all of 1.5 hours, and it is time for me to go to an event for work. I'm already late, but it's whatever. And my Uber is on the way. I'm trying to figure out what scent I want to wear. I am back from my work event. I am overly tired. It's nothing but like 9. Oh, it's almost 10 o'clock. So I have every right to be tired. But I figured before I close out for today and take my shower and lay down, that I would open some packages with y'all. I'm completely starting over in this space, so a lot of stuff I just don't have. Like, girl, I just had to put my pizza on the rack. I ain't got no foil. I could have got foil, but I just forgot to eat it. But I don't have a pan. But I just been buying like little stuff in the apartment. It's in black plastic. This looks sketchy. Oh, it's my knife set. I actually need a knife because how am I gonna cut my pizza? This knife set, but it's really cute. I like that this part is transparent. And now for this, I need a box for it. Okay, this is cute. I got this utensil drawer, and I'll probably do another video of me just like organizing in my apartment. So stay tuned for that. And if y'all can tell, I do have furniture already. So I did move in here like a week ago, but I just haven't stayed here. Ooh. Chopstick. So this is my duvet. I don't really know what it's called, but this is the inner piece of it. So I am gonna switch out my comforter because I don't like the one that I have now. I actually ordered it by mistake, and my comforter is supposed to be in this box, but it ain't. So let's see what else I got. And I want y'all to see how I'm about to get this piece out the oven right now. Hopefully it's not. Oh. Ooh. That sounds crispy. But yeah, when you're moving across state, sometimes you just might not have everything at one thing. Oh, anyways, it's so cute. So this is the next item I got. It's for my dishwasher liquid containers, or 2 containers, and you put like dish soap on here or whatever, and then you set it up here. So I'm gonna show y'all when I put that together, but I guess that's all the packages that I got, which I ordered a lot more stuff. So I'm actually about to get out of here, get off of here, take a shower, look at my Amazon account, and eat my pizza. But deuces. Good morning, everyone. It is day 2 in my new space, and I am so excited just to be here and have all of these projects that need to be done. Like, my ADHD is loving me. I actually woke up early this morning and started just like doing random things around the house. And I also went to the gym, and I have a meeting at 10 o'clock, and it is currently 9:43. So I'm about to make me some breakfast and open some more boxes. I know last night I opened a few boxes and I was missing a lot of stuff, but apparently there's like a second mail room that I didn't know about. Ooh. And this cereal is really good. Like, I've been smashing it. This is what we have. In this box, I have my new comforter, so I can also take my old comforter back. This looks different than what it was advertised on Amazon. Oops. These are my hand soaps. This is in foam, which is now all over my crib. Oh, these are just little decorative yoga statues that are exceeding my expectations based on what I can. So these are dope little like yoga statues. It came in a pack of 3. I'm really excited to just decorate with those. Silverware that I'm gonna put in the little thing I showed you last night, but I did get gold. Hey y'all, so it is about 6 p.m. and I had all of these lofty plans to go to the store to stack my pantry, but I did end up going to not a food store but just a local store, and I got a broom so I can finally like clean up. And I feel like once I like clean up, I will feel better about like getting food and stuff. So I just took a nap and now I'm about to clean up, so I'm pretty much just this time just organize it and clean it up.
Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a 2-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a 2-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it up ruthless. I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VV, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. They go straight to the mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his tata, then he dancing my cha-cha.